Today I'm going to show you how to use the Education Walkthrough mobile application. When you open the app, you're going to see the start page. This is where you can actually do a walkthrough. But before we do the first walkthrough, we have to set up the app. First, we're going to go to Templates. Template shows you all of the templates that you have created and also that have been shared with you. When you create a new template, it starts as a private template, only for you. Then it can be shared with everyone in your school or across your district. So we can see by the icons here, the ones that have been shared or the ones that are private. So the quick walkthrough is private, whereas the PBIS one and the climate and culture is shared with the district. Next, we're going to create a new template. We click Create New Template, type in template name, in a description, then you can either add standard questions or you can leave the template blank. We're going to add standard questions and click Next. Now you're in the template editor. You can see the different domains at the top, as well as the different questions. Each question then can be clicked on to be edited. So you can change the question text, you can change to freeform or checkbox or yes, no, or multiple choice. You can also add a comment section, or you can add photo and video artifacts for each question. When you're happy with the template, you can click Save, and it'll save it into your template list.